When you look at the sky at night, do you ever think about the stars you see? This is Alan the alien, and he's going to bring us on a trip through the starry night. So, let's start from the very beginning. There are approximately 400 billion stars in the Milky Way alone. These stars begin to form as a dense cloud of gas. Then individual hydrogen atoms begin to fall with speed and energy due to gravity. This energy heats the gas, and over millions of years it reaches 1,111,093 degrees Celsius. This is when the star ignites. Stars are made of hydrogen and helium. They are black bodies and absorb 100% of electromagnetic radiation. Because they are so hot, they give off light. The sources of heat and energy are nuclear reactions inside the stars. In most stars, like the Sun, hydrogen is being converted into helium, giving off heat and light. You cannot see millions of the stars at night. You can only see 2,000 to 2,500 at any given time. This is because all stars send out electromagnetic radiation, including light. Light spreads out over a distance, so only a tiny fraction makes it to us. Depending on the temperature of the star, it is a different colour, and depending on the colour, it will be harder for the light to reach us. The cooler stars will give off red light, and the hotter stars will give off blue and white lights. Blue and white stars have shorter wavelengths and higher frequencies, so are easier to see. What is a constellation? The ancient Greeks discovered that constellations are groups of visible stars that form a pattern when viewed from Earth. The pattern they make may take the form of an animal, a mythological creature, a man or a woman. The sky was divided up into 88 different constellations in 1922. This included 48 constellations listed by a Greek astronomer and 40 new constellations. Fun facts. Stars that have shorter lifespans tend to be bigger. For example, the Sun. Eta Carinae is one of the largest stars in the known galaxy, and it is categorized as a hypergiant. They expect it to explode within 1 million years, while the Sun has been around for 5 billion and is expected to keep burning for another 5 billion. The first sign of old age in a star is when it turns red. Because of this, dying stars are known as red giants. When the fuel runs out, force of gravity is crushed. When a star dies, all planets surrounding it are vaporized. The rocks from dead stars shoot into different galaxies. Sometimes these meteors hit against Earth's atmosphere. We call these shooting stars because it gives the appearance that it is falling. It is now time for Alan to return to his family. Thank you very much for listening from us and from Alan.